Hi. Now I try to explain to you material and their structures. This is second lesson for grade 6 in igcse board. The first topic is looking at state of matter. Looking at state of matter. So what is the state? The state means that is physical form of the object. Physical form means what? Suppose you consider this watch physical form is a solid. So this is the state. This is solid state. This is physical form is the solid state. So state means that object physical form. Is it is solid or liquid or gas. So that is the physical form, that means state. Next one is the matter. Matter means what? Which are the object has mass? Which are the object has mass? That all the objects we considered to be a matter. Which are the object has mass? That all the object we are considering, it is matter. Suppose your bodies, my body, is all the bodies, animals bodies, everything it is a matter because it has weight, it has mass is there. And also there is a air, water and gas. So all it has mass. So it is, we say there is a matter. Which is not matter. That means now I am speaking with you. My voice, there is no mass. My voice has no mass. So it is not a matter. There is a light. The light has no mass. So it is not a matter. So other things all are matters. Okay. In your book they are explain you. So matter means which we can see and which we can feel is called a matter. So matter is divided into three parts. One is the solid and liquid, another one is the gases. That three form is there. That is, they are divided into the three parts. The matter is divided into three parts. One is the solid, liquid and gas. Likewise. So this all behavior is called, we can say, properties. Behavior means what? Suppose you consider there is the solid. The solid, that means it is be strong, it is be rigid, and also this volume, shape does not change. Volume means that object, height, breadth and length, it is not be changed, it is be fixed. Okay. If you are not apply any other force, if you be there, that volume is fixed. The shape is it is fixed, it is be too rigid. So that is this behavior. That behavior, if you want to explain, we say that is properties. The similar way there is a liquid and gas. This all behavior is called properties. Okay. Next topic, solids. There is a subtopic, solid, liquid and gas. Now we will see solids. Solids means what? So solids keep same shape. The shape does not change. Suppose your face is there, the shape does not change. Suppose bottle means the bottle shape does not change. Okay. So the solids, it is occupy the same space. The space does not change. Suppose you take it any duster or bottle, you keep it one place, how much distance it is occupied, you mark it. Then same object you keep it another place, then how much distance is occupied, you note it. The solid occupy the same space. The solids have fixed volume. The fixed volume means the same volume. The volume also not change. Volume means all the 3D object, it has volume. So volume means length. So water can like that is there, it has length, breadth and height. The volume does not change. The shape and it is occupied distance, volume does not change in the solids object. And we cannot to compress solid. Why we cannot to compress the solid? Because already in the solid the molecules or atoms, it is tightly bonded. So we cannot to compress. Already it is tightly it is bonded. So we cannot to compress the solids, and we cannot to pour. That means we cannot to transfer from one bottle to another bottle like a water. So that is the solids. Next topic is liquids. Liquids do not have fixed shape. Liquids do not have fixed shape. So fixed shape means do not have permanent shape. The shape will be changed. So when container it is changed. So whenever the liquids take the shape of the container, it is in. Liquid we can pour from one bottle to another bottle, or one vessel to another vessel. We can pour from one bottle to another bottle. So a liquid we cannot be compressed. Liquid we cannot be compressed. Why we cannot be compressed? You consider, you take 1 liter bottles. 1 liter bottle can hold only 1 liter of water. 1 liter water, it cannot hold 1.5 liter of water, because we cannot do compressed. So liquid bottle, whatever it is changed, it is occupy only 1 liter. It can hold only 1 liter. Wherever the vessel will be changed. Okay. So the same way, the liquid occupy the same. It is occupy the same space. Same space means same place or distance. How the solid occupy the same space, the similar way the liquid also occupy the same space. So I will show you one picture. At the time you will understand. You see here, there is a measuring cylinder. So it is occupy 50 ml of water in vertically. Then you see here, it is horizontal. It is also, if the water we poured into this container, it is also 50 ml of water. It is occupy this area. So beaker is there. If you are pour into the beaker the same water, it shows 50 ml of water. It is a 40, 60, the center is there. So it is occupy the same space, and also the volume also it is same. So volume also same means now length, breadth, height. It is the, we multiply with this one, we can get it volume. Okay. So when container length, if we increased means breadth is decreased. Breadth is increased means length is decreased. When the length, breadth, height it will be changed, but the total answer of volume does not change. Okay. So liquid do not have fixed shape, we cannot be compressed, and also volume does not change, the shape also not change, it is a fixed. So this is the liquids. Next subtopic is gases. Gases flow like liquids. How the water flowing in the river, the similar way air also flowing in all the places. So any other rooms are there, empty rooms or closed room, air is present inside. Any bottles is closed or opened, so air is present inside. So air is present all the places, it is moving, randomly moving all the places. So air we can compress easily, air we can compress easily. How we can compress easily? So we cannot compress solid and liquid, so air only how we can easily compressed, because so air particles not be together, so some gaps are there from one particles to another particles. Is one particles is far away from the another particles is there. So when we are when we are compressed, so all the particles are easily compressed at one places. So that is why air we can easily compressed. So gases weight very little, we cannot to see, but we can feel when it is smell. Otherwise air it is fall on your face, when we breathe at the time we can feel, we cannot to see, because air the gases weight very little. So I hope you are understand something about solid, liquid and gases. Thank you.